Hello and welcome to our project demonstration. We are Group 11 and today we'll be going through our client-server chat application, a real-time messaging system designed to support multiple users, private messaging and group communication. In this video, we'll walk you through the key features of our system in action. First, we'll start the server and connect three clients, John, Peter and Stella. Then, we'll test how the system handles a duplicate username by trying to connect a second user named John. Next, we'll demonstrate essential chat features, including broadcasting messages to all users, sending private messages using the add username format, and listing all connected users with the add names command. Next, we'll showcase our group chat functionality. This includes creating groups, sending group messages, leaving groups, as well as deleting them using add groups command. We will also demonstrate our additional feature, which is the ability for users to view their chat history. And finally, we'll disconnect the clients using the add quit command. So to start off this demo, we'll first start the server. As you can see, the server is now running. Next, we'll start up the three clients. The server logs the number of active connections from the client to the server. Next, we will sign up using John, Peter, and Stella. Each client will be notified once they have successfully registered on the chat application. Next, we will showcase the duplicate username validation. And we will be using John as a test case. The client will validate this input and let the user know that the username is taken. We will now showcase the broadcast message function. So let's say John wants to broadcast a message, hi. So he will type add broadcast hi. And the client will let John know that his message is sent to all users. For the second client, Peter, he receives a broadcast message from John indicating hi. And the same goes for Stella. Next, we will showcase our private messaging function. Let's say we are the client Peter and we want to send a private message over to Stella. So once Peter sends over the command, the client will let Peter know that he has sent a private message over to Stella. We'll move on to Stella's client and she will receive a private message from Peter and it says hello. Next, we will be showcasing our list all names function. We will be using John as an example. So let's say he wants to view all users that are currently connected to the server, and he can simply type add names, and then he can view the current users. Now we will showcase our group functionality. Let's start with Peter, and he will type add group to view the number of commands that are available for this function. So he will start by creating a group called test group. Then he will proceed to add himself and John to the group. And the client will let him know that the group has been created and here are the members. Next, he will try sending a group message to the group and he types hi all. The client will let the members know that Peter has sent a group message to the group. Now we will showcase our leave group functionality. And we'll start off with John. And John wants to leave the test group, so he'll type in a command. The client will let him know that he has left the group. Let's head on to Peter, and Peter will type a message to check if John is still in the group. And the message will not be reflected in John's client, as he has already left the group. Now we'll show our delete group function, and Peter wants to delete his previously created test group, so he will type in the command. Once he sends it, the client will let him know that test group has been deleted. If he sends a group message to test group, the client will let him know that the group does not exist. Now we will showcase our additional feature, which is the chat history function. We'll start with broadcasting our message first from Peter, and Peter says hi. Stella replies. Let's move on to John, and John can type history and the amount of messages that he wants to see. If he enters 1, he's able to see the latest message, and if he enters 2, he's able to see the second latest message. Now we will showcase our add quick command, and we'll start off with Stella. Once Stella has disconnected from the client, the server will send a broadcast message to the remaining connected clients that Stella has been disconnected. And the same goes for Peter and John. The server will log these interactions as well. That concludes our demonstration of the client-server chat application by Group 11. We hope this gave you a clear look at the features we implemented, from real-time communication and private messaging to group chats and chat history retrieval. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate your time and attention.